Tired of staring out the window all winter? Today, we're cracking the code to catching redfin perch, even when the temperatures plummet. First things first, location is key. Redfin tend to congregate in deeper holes or near structure like submerged trees and weed beds during winter, so use a fish finder or map to locate these areas. Now, let's talk bait. Smaller is better in the winter. Think small ice fishing jigs, micro spoons, or even a simple hook with a small piece of worm or maggot. When baiting, make sure the offering is secure, but not overwhelming. The hook. A small, natural presentation is key to enticing finicky winter redfin. The presentation is crucial in the cold. Use a slow, subtle jigging motion near the bottom. Redfin are lethargic in the winter, so avoid aggressive movements. Keep an eye on your fish finder. If you see fish but aren't getting bites, try changing your jigging action or bait color. Once you get a bite, set the hook gently but firmly. Winter redfin can have soft mouths, so avoid ripping the hook. And there you have it. Catching redfin in the winter can be challenging, but with the right approach, it's totally achievable. Remember to stay warm, be patient, and tight lines.